Hi everyone!
Hi!
Paul here.
Denise here.
And we have a workshop coming up this Sunday here at Open Ground Studios. What is it, Denise?
Making meaning with art.
Which
And
is something we both do, right? Denise did it right here in this
And
piece.
why does that matter? Why does it matter? Making meaning with art, Paul. Why does it matter? Does it matter?
It does.
To some people,
but
it
you have to
matters.
come to the workshop to find out. No, art is all about communicating, and so we both have our own way of doing that ourselves, and we want to share that with you as well as some techniques that other artists use.
Also, I want to say this is not just for artists. I think it's really important for people who want to collect art or people who actually really enjoy seeing art, but they get frustrated about, I don't know what I'm looking at, or I really like it, but it freaks me out a little bit. Like, why do you feel that way? And when you come to this workshop, you're going to be able to say, like, okay, here's this thing up here. Why am I feeling what I'm feeling? And how did the artist achieve that? And that way you actually get to be able to talk about it better when you're in the galleries, and you can entertain all your friends with how much you know.
That's right. And you can come join us here in person at Open Ground Studios in Seaside, California if you live around this area, or you can join us virtually on Zoom. So this workshop is great for everybody.
Far and wide.
Yes. So we'll see you
next Sunday.
Sunday.